Okay, so let's review linear versus nonlinear. Linear equations form a line. Nonlinear would not be a line. So let's look at the first picture. The first picture shows a straight line, so that would be linear. The second picture is obviously not a line, so it would be not linear. And looking at the third function, it is again non-linear. So given a graph, you should easily be able to tell the difference between them. Now let's look at tables. Step 1, you're going to find the difference in the x values. So I'm going to look at the first one. I'm going to find the difference between 4 and 10, which is 6. Then I'm going to find the difference between 10 and 20, which is 10. And then find the difference between 20 and 32, which is 12. And we're going to find the difference in the y values. The difference from 1 to 2 is 1. 2 to 3 is 1. 3 to 4 is also 1. Then we're going to write the ratios. We always write the y over the x. So the first ratio is going to be 1 over 6. The next is going to be 1 over 10 and 1 over 12. Are these ratios equal? No. So this would be non-linear. Not equal. So they are non-linear. Then looking at number 2, we're going to find the difference between 0 and 1. 1, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, 1. Then we're going to find the y's. 2 to 4 goes up 2. 4 to 6, 2. 6 to 8, 2. We're going to set these up as ratios. The first ratio is 2 over 1. Second ratio, 2 over 1. Third ratio, 2 over 1. Since these are all equal, this would be linear. And then we're going to look at the third table. I'm going to find the difference between my x's. From 6 to 8, we're going up 2. 8 to 10, 2. 10 to 12, 2. 3 to 4, 1. 4 to 5, 1. 5 to 6, 1. And then I write my ratio, y over x. I get 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2. They're all equal, so this is linear. So for today's assignment, you're going to complete the Khan Academy linear and nonlinear functions. The problems will be just like this. Then you're going to complete the exit ticket.